So it is a calculator question, therefore we can use calculator here. First and foremost, I want you to know in this number 16, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
To convert 72 km per hour to meter per second, what you do is to convert 72. You convert 72, that is 72 multiplied by 1,000, that will change it to meters. Then you divide it by 60, multiply by 60. The reason is because if you divide by the first 60, it will change hours to minutes. The second 60 will now change minutes to seconds. That is why I have to multiply like that. Therefore, I cancel 1, 2, 1, 2. That will now give me 72 times 10 divided by 36. And you can see 36 can go into 72 to give me 2. Okay, then multiply by 10, that is 20. Meaning that the answer you got is very accurate. Okay, that is 20 meters per second. So that is correct. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we move to the next question. To the next question here, we are asked, look at what you are told here. The length here is 2x, which means that this place, are you listening? Here
Yeah.
also is going to be 2x. Why the width here is y. So I am going to subtract y here. If I subtract y this place, I will subtract y this place because you can see that it overlap. So what it means is that I am going to subtract y plus y, which is 2y. This place now will remain 2x minus 2y. Did you hear me? Here also is 2x.
Yes, sir.
Y this place will be 2x minus 2y. Why? Because I will remove y here and also remove y here. That means I'm removing 2y. Now, remember they said I should find the perimeter of the inside. So what I will now do is, this side 1 is 2x plus side 2, which is also 2x, plus side 3, which is 2x minus 2y. Okay? Then plus side 4, which is also 2x minus 2y. I believe it's very clear. 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2x will give me 8x. Minus 2y, this place is y, minus 2y will give me minus 4y. Therefore, the perimeter of the inside is 8x minus 4y. That is the show that they want us to do, and we have done that. Is that understood? Is that understood?
Mm, yes, sir.
All right. Multiply by 2 minus 4 multiply by 1 is going to give us 16 minus 4, which is equal to 12. Okay. This can now justify it better. Therefore, we got 12. Did you get that? And the 12 is a
Yeah.
multiple of 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make x to be 3. And then make a y to be, let's say, 2. All right? So 8 times 3 is 24. Minus 4 times 3 is 8. Subtract 8 from 24. That will give us 16. And 16 is a multiple of 4. So that is it. Therefore, it is correct. Magda is correct. Is that okay?
Yeah.
We move to the next question. That is question number 18. It is a trapezium. And here we are given that in this trapezium, we are asked to work out what? Area of the shaded region. But do you know the formula to calculate area of a trapezium? Fast, if you know, you talk to me.
Um, the car number, sir.
The formula is 1 all over 2 multiplying the two opposite parallel sides, then multiply by the height. That is the formula. So what that means is that we are going to have 1 over 2. The top side is a 28. The downside is 12. You add the 2. Either way, anyone can come first. While the height is given to us as 14. This will give us exactly the area. Is that okay? Now, 28
Mhm.
plus 12 is 40. Please don't get distracted. So that when I ask you a question, you'll be answering me immediately, not being carried away. So 2 will go into 40 to give me 20. And 20 multiplied by 140 will give me 280 cm square. So that is the area of the trapezium. But if you look
Yeah.
inside that trapezium, they cut out 2 semicircles. And that 2 semicircle is equal to what? 1 full circle. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So I will simply find the area of a circle. Area of a circle, which is pi r squared. So once I find the area of a circle, I will subtract it from the area of the trapezium. That will give me exactly area of the shaded part. Therefore, this is 22 over 7, and the value of pi r, what is radius there? Radius is going to be 3. Can you tell me why radius is 3? Can you tell me?
Uh, because pi is always free.
Pi is not always 3. I asked for radius. You're answering for pi. Look at this
Uh,
place. The entire of this side is 12, meaning that the diameter of this semicircle here is 6, and the diameter of this one is 6, because 6 plus 6 is 12. So half of the diameter is the radius. So from the end, circumference to the center is 3. So from the circumference to the center is 3. So the radius of each of the semicircles is 3. Half of 6. That is why I'm using 3. Therefore, working it out, I will have 22 times 9 divided by 7. Did you hear me?
mm,
22 multiplied by 9 is 198. And 198 divided by 7 is going to give me exactly 28.285. Okay, 28 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded part now is going to be what? Area of shaded part, area of shaded part is now going to be what? 280 minus what? 28.28. Did you get that?
yes, sir.
And that is going to give us 251.7 cm square. This is the correct answer for the area of the shaded part. If this is understood, let me know.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, beautiful. So it is a trapezium. You find the trapezium and find the circle, subtract the circle, then you get the shaded part. Let's come to this. Here you go to 1558.055. Let's find out. The
No, so I
composite,
got 11958.
okay, 1958. Okay, sorry about that. All right, let's see. He said, as if he's going on holiday to Turkey, the exchange rate is £1 to 3.5601 Rila. Therefore, if he has 550 pounds, 550 pounds, let's convert it to Rila and see what it will be. He said, how much is it going to be? Just that is multiplication. We just multiply by what? 3.5601, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 3.5601 multiplied by 550, because it is a calculator question. So that is going to give us 1958.055 Rila. But you know, in money, okay, in currency, we need only 2 decimal places. So that is 1958 point what? 06. You can round up if you like. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that is the correct value. Now, going back to down to B part, it's as if sees a pair of shoes in Turkey. The shoe cost 210. So since he doesn't have calculator, he estimated that every £2 should be equal to 7 rila. Therefore, we are asked to work out the approximate value of the choose in pounds. So what we are going to do is to divide that 210 by what? By 7. Since every 7 makes 2 pounds. Are you with me? So
Yes,
when
sir.
we divide it, you are going to get 7 into 21. We go 3 times into 0 is 0. So that will go 7 times, 30 times rather. So 30 times 2 is going to give us exactly
6.
60 pounds. Do you understand?
Yes.
So from his estimate that every 2 pounds he will assume it to be 7 real. Therefore, he is now have calculated the 210 to be equal to 60 pounds. And that is it. And look at what they say. Show that the approximate cost of the shoes is 60 pounds. We have done the show. Okay? We have shown it. Now, moving forward, C part says if we are using 2 pounds to 7 real instead of 1 pound to 3.5601, is it sensible to use this method? Let's compare. Is it sensible? What we are going to do, let's convert 60 pounds. Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Multiply it by 3.5601. Okay? Let's multiply it to see if it will give us 210. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So let's do that. Since every 1 pound is this, now, and from what we did, what we converted in B was 210. So let's multiply here and see what it will give us to see if his estimate is sensible. Therefore, 60 multiplied by 3.56001 will give me exactly 210.06. Therefore, it is sensible. Do you understand?
Yeah.
It is sensible. So what he did was in order because it is almost the same 210 real, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right. We move to the next question. Here in number 20A, the question has asked us to find the ninth term of the Fibonacci sequence. Look at what Fibonacci is saying. When you add the first two, it will give you the third one. That is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. When you add the next two, it will give you 3. Look at it. 1 plus 2 is 3. If you add the next two, it will give you 5. So if you add the next two, it will give you 8. Can you see the way it works? Therefore, the ninth term
Mm-hmm.
now, if I add this 5 and 8, I am going to get what? 13. If I
And
add 8 and
also
13, I am
mm,
going to get 20 what?
so in
21.
20,
21. So let's
21.
count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need the ninth one. So if I add this 13 and 21, I should get the ninth term, isn't it? So
Yeah.
13 plus 21 will give us 34.
30.
So your 23 is not
Oh,
correct. Do you understand me? 13
yes,
plus
sir.
21 will give us 34. So the ninth term of that Fibonacci sequence is 34. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Did you understand what I explained here?
Yes, sir.
When you add the first two, you get the third one. Add the third and fourth, you get the fifth. Add the seventh and eighth, you get the ninth. Add the sixth and seventh, you get the eighth. That is Fibonacci. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now look at what you are asked to do in B. You see another different Fibonacci sequence. Therefore, if you add A and B, you will get A plus B. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Then watch out, follow me. If you add B and the A plus B, that is the second and the third, you are going to get the second one as A plus 2B. Do you agree?
Yeah.
That is B plus B. If you add these two now together, you are going to get A plus A here will give us 2A, and B plus 2B will give us 3B plus 3B. Can you see what I got? So let's count
Yeah.
from one. This is first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Let's find the sixth one. Are you listening? I am going to add
Yeah.
this and this. A plus 2A is going to give me what? 3A plus 2B plus 3B will give me what? 5b. We are done. Therefore, the sixth term is exactly what they got, 3b plus 5b, which means we have now shown what they want us to show. They say show that the sixth term should be 3a plus 5b, and this is the sixth term of the sequence. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand my survey?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. We move to the C part. Yet another question on Fibonacci. He said, going from the equation in number B, that the third term of that Fibonacci is 7. But what is the third term here? The third term there is A plus B. Don't get distracted. A plus B, which is equal to 7. Look at it here. I numbered them. The first term, the second term, the third term, the fourth, the fifth. And they said again that the sixth term, and we got the sixth term as what? 3a plus 5b. And they say the sixth term is what? 29. With this now, we have formed a simultaneous equation. And they ask us to find the values of a and b. So, are you listening very well?
Yes, sir.
Now, moving forward, I will use, what is it called? Simultaneous approach. And that means I can multiply this equation 1 by 3 so that I can now, I multiply equation 2 by 1. So if I multiply equation 1 by 3, I am going to get 3a plus 3b equal to 21. So my equation 2 will remain 3a plus 5b equal to 29. So this is new equation 1, equation 2. So I can do now equation 2 minus equation 1. 3a minus 3a is 0. 5b minus 3b will give me 2b.
Sir, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Hear you now.
Okay, you can hear me now very well.
Yeah.
Okay, but you can see what I write.
Yeah.
All right, so moving on. I am subtracting the simultaneous equation. 3a minus 3a is 0. 5b minus 3b is 2b. 29 minus 21 is 8. Okay? Therefore, the value 2b is equal to 8, making the value of b to be equal to 8 over 2, and that is 4. So I have gotten the value of b as 4. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Yes.
from equation 1, which is given to me as a plus b equal to 7. Anywhere that is a, I will put to a. And anywhere that is b, I will put what I have gotten, which is 4. Therefore, the value of a will now be 7 subtract 4, making a to be equal to 3. So the value of a is 3. These are the answers. The values of a and b as they asked us to find. So take a very good look at it. What I did, I formed simultaneous equation using the terms I generated in number B. That is number B, okay? So where it says that the third term is a plus b, and I equated it to 7 as given in number C part here. Then, and the sixth term is 3a plus 5b. I equated it to 29. Then I solved it simultaneously. Ask me a question if you have.
Yes, I don't have a question.
All right.